This is the project on Smart Communication Framework for Deaf, Dumb, and Blind. This device works as an assistive device for the physically challenged people who are unable to see, hear, or speak. This prototype model can be used by all the three physically challenged people to communicate with the normal people and to reduce the communication gap between the normal and physically challenged people. It is a single compact device, easily portable. It is also user-friendly and does not require much training to use. The main hardware components used in this system are the Raspberry Pi 3B model, microphones, speaker, Logitech camera. Raspberry Pi is a micro-sized computer based on the Linux operating system used to process and control the input and output data. It has the following features. It supports input voltage of 5 volts. It has a speed of 1.2 GHz, 1 GB RAM. It has 40 pins and 4 USB ports, out of which we are making use of only one. It has 26 general purpose input-output pins. All are digital and the remaining all are ground and VCC pins. It has one high-definition monitor interface, one audio jack which supports only output, one SD card slot for memory, and it has inbuilt Wi-Fi, a LAN or Ethernet port, and a display connector. It has a processor BCM2835, that is Broadcom companies. We make use of the Raspbian operating system. Here we are using laptop for giving connection to the display and also to give input through keypad. The laptop speaker can be used, or we can also use earphones as an output device. The Raspberry Pi and laptop or mobile that we use should be in the same network or should be connected to the same Wi-Fi for its usage. This is how the device can be used by the blind, deaf, and dumb people. For blind people, it mainly serves for reading purpose. For blind people, there are two types of conversions, that is text to speech or image to speech. As they will not be able to see the text or the image, we are going to convert it to speech format so that they can listen and understand what needs to be communicated. For this, we are making use of GTTS library, that is Google Text to Speech. It converts the text format into speech. And the second conversion is image to speech. In this format, we are scanning the image using the camera. The scanned image is converted to text format by using the Tesseract OCR, which is an online library or the Google library for online character recognition. This will be saved as a file.txt in the notepad. The text saved will be given to the Google Text-to-Speech for text-to-speech conversion, and the voice can be heard. For the deaf people, it serves mainly for hearing purpose. Since the deaf are unable to hear, the speech or the voice format will be converted to the text through which the deaf people can see and understand what needs to be communicated. For this, we make use of a voice recognition module or a library. We make use of English and Hindi languages. This voice recognition module will take the voice, will convert it into an text, and the text will be printed. The speech to text conversion can be done through two types. One is the API web service, which is very instant and can take up to 2 lines instantaneously and convert it. The second type is the Python coding, which we have done, and it prints in the shell. And at a time, it takes only one word as an input, and it also supports less speed. For the dumb people, since the dumb people are unable to speak, we use gesture recognition or text-to-speech conversion for them. Through gesture recognition, we are able to identify 1 to 9 numbers or A to Z characters. For this, we make use of OpenCV, that is for image processing. That is, the gestures showed by the dumb person is scanned through the image, and the image will be processed and the gesture will be cropped and recognized to what it represents. And the second type is text-to-speech conversion. In this, the text will be converted to speech and it will be passed to the e-speaker or the earphones and it plays the sound. For this, we make use of the Google library. The Google text to speech will convert the text into speech, that is into a .mp3 format, and will be passed to the speaker.